Dodge Durango 2004 4.7 V8. Gonna do an oil sensor change. This is the part number for the oil sensor. Costs $10. This is what it looks like when you take it out of the box. You're going to, here's the threads, and this is where it gets plugged in. All right, so the only tool you're gonna need is a 1 1/16 deep socket. That way, the deep socket, so it can go around the top part. If you don't have this 1 1/16 deep socket, I'm afraid that you're gonna have to take off the oil filter to get hold of the of this oil sensor. So, without having to take off the oil filter, again, just get the 1 1/16 deep socket. Under the driver's side of the car, you see your oil filter, and that is the oil sensor. All you have to do is grab a hold of it and pull. There is no clip to this. It's really easy to take this off. And there it is. No oil comes out. And there's the old one. Okay, I lied a little bit. A little oil did come out, just a little bit. And you're gonna have to hand screw it in first. You're not gonna be able to use the socket. All right. All right, so once you finish tightening it, remember, don't over tighten it. Just get it real good and snug, and just real good and snug. Go ahead and plug it in, and then cross your fingers that oil light won't come on anymore after that.